Hello everyone, our role as a futurist is to predict and analyze future technological and commercial developments. Technology continues to rule the world. It has made millions of firms prosper. The use of new technology daily has increased the way each business works, with many new technology trends emerging daily.
Hey there. And today I want to introduce you to a technology that's changing the world. It's AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's a field of study that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think, reason, and learn like humans.
Computers are trained to search for information. There are several fields related to artificial intelligence, such as robotics, machine learning, or a jaguar that runs through the city.
Why do we need artificial intelligence? Now let us understand this with an example. So nowadays, if you have noticed, if your car exceeds the speed limit, so you'll get a letter or basically a challan at your home. How do you think that happens? Do you think that there's a person who is sitting in a chair and actually noting down all the number plates that crosses the speed limit? Well, that is not possible because there might be millions of cars that pass through that road. And at once, there might be many cars that will be passing through that road. So for a human being to actually do this task is next to impossible. Now let us see another approach to this particular problem. So what we can do, we can actually make use of cameras that will take the picture of the car that exceeds the speed limit. And then we can convert that picture into a text. For example, we have a UKPLATE. So in this way, the risk of human error has been reduced. And at the same time, machines, they never get tired. So because of that, you can capture all the images of cars that actually crosses the speed limit.
Increased efficiency. 2. Improved accuracy. 3. Enhanced decision-making. 4. Personalized experiences. 5. Increased accessibility.
What is machine learning and why is it important? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to predict outcomes without explicit programming. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning are the 4 basic approaches to machine learning.
But here's how it works on a basic level. Let's say we want a program that can tell the difference between apples and bananas. First, we'll give it some labeled pictures of each. The program will then look for patterns in the fruits and start to remember them. It can then use these memories to look at unlabeled pictures of apples and bananas and determine which is which, all on its own. Believe it or not, you probably encounter machine learning on a daily basis. Social media sites use it to create your feed based on your preferences, and search engines use it to improve the accuracy of their search results. It's also being used on a larger scale. The medical industry is applying machine learning to things like predicting lifespans, organizing patient data, and even diagnosing certain diseases. As with many emerging technologies, there's a concern that machine learning may eliminate certain jobs. This will vary from industry to industry, but it does have the potential to get rid of or change a number of occupations, including drivers, bankers, and potentially even certain doctors.
Machine learning helps understand customers at a deeper level, but can be expensive and biased. Align the problem with potential data inputs, collect and format data, choose algorithms, and fine-tune outputs. In industries with compliance burdens, simple machine learning models are preferred for explainability. As AI becomes more practical, machine learning platforms will continue to evolve, and research will focus on developing more general applications.
Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that can learn from data and perform various tasks, such as classification, regression, clustering, and generation. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or artificial neurons, that process information and pass it to the next layer. Neural networks can recognize complex patterns and correlations in data, and adapt to new situations by adjusting their weights and biases.
How do these artificial neurons work? Well, the essence of an artificial neuron is nothing but this simple equation from elementary school, where X is the input, W is a weight, B is a bias term, and the result or output is Z of X. What does this mean? Essentially, any input X is being modified by multiplying with a weight, and then a bias is added in order to get a result or output. This allows the AI system to map the input value X to some preferred output value Z of X. How are W and B determined? This is where training. We have to train the parameters W and B into the AI system, such that the input can be modified into the appropriate or correct output.
Neural networks are widely used in fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, and robotics.